I'm going to teach you right here how to basically control someone's mind. Yeah, you intrigued? I'll also show you why the importance of 307 questions, and you can be Sherlock Holmes as well. Confidence hack number 48 of 365 throughout the year to help you become more confident in your daily life. 365 of these all year long. Actually, bonus 366 because it is a leap year. If you want these to come directly to your email inbox every single morning, go to davidnurse.com where you can sign up for free. Jesus was recorded in the Bible asking 307 questions. He was asked himself 183 and only directly answered 3 of those. He asked questions to help the asker find the answer. Why do great leaders ask more questions than they answer? Well, here's what I have learned in my experience of being around the top NBA coaches and top CEOs. Asking questions will win in 2 ways. 1, when a human being answers a question, they are much more likely to take ownership of the answer that they provide. It is human nature to hear an instruction and consciously or subconsciously create resistance to the direction given. So, if you tell somebody something, they're going to have actually pushback unless you ask them and they give the answer, then they'll take ownership. 2, the person you are asking the question is the foregone expert in themselves. We might think we know what others need, but they know better than we do. Asking questions is a way to lead you to a better understanding of your direct audience. Boom! The double win is the recipient of the question takes ownership of the response, and you, the question asker, gets a better understanding than a presumed assumption. The art of proposing a question must be held in higher value than solving it. What a great quote by George Cantor. A study done by Entrepreneur Magazine found that people who ask more questions tend to have a higher emotional intelligence. A study done by the Association for Psychological Science found that people who ask more questions are also more likable by their peers. More intelligent and more likable? I'll take that. So here are 5 tips to be a more confident question asker that I have found to be very powerful. Number 1, be specific in the question that you ask. Ask a detailed question that can go deeper rather than broad and surface. 2, seek conversation, not interrogation. Asking a question should not be calling somebody out, but it should be seeking this to lead to a conversation. 3, don't be afraid to admit you don't know and you need more clarification. I've been there many times when I just acted like like I knew what they were talking about, walked away from the conversation and had no idea. It's okay to say you don't know. Ask for more clarification. 4, actively listen to the answer being given, not plotting out your response while the other person is talking. Very key. And 5, care. Genuinely care about the person who is answering the question. If you have curiosity and genuine care in the person you are speaking to, conversations, relationships are going to go much deeper. So gain confidence today knowing that the power is in asking strategic questions. I want you to think of yourself today as Sherlock Holmes. Be curious.